What if I told you that you could cut your water bill, help the environment and keep your garden thriving, all by harvesting the rainwater that falls for free? Today I'll show you simple DIY rainwater harvesting tips that every gardener can use to make their garden more sustainable and resilient. Welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about gardening and want to learn practical ways to grow more with less, you're in the right place. Be sure to like this video, subscribe and join the family so you don't miss out on future gardening tips. Rainwater harvesting is about more than saving money. It reduces stormwater runoff, helps conserve municipal water, and provides plants with soft, chemical-free water that they love. Collecting rainwater means you're turning what's usually wasted into one of your garden's best resources. Start simple. If you have a roof with gutters, you already have a collection system. Place a rain barrel or food-grade container at the bottom of the downspout. A spigot at the base makes it easy to fill watering cans or connect a hose. Always keep the barrel covered with a mesh screen to prevent debris and mosquitoes. Safety matters. Never use rainwater collected from asphalt roofs for drinking, but it's perfect for gardening. Keep barrels in shaded areas to avoid algae growth, and clean them at least once a season. If you want even cleaner water, consider a simple first flush diverter that channels the first dirty runoff away from your barrel. As your garden grows, so can your harvesting system. You can link multiple barrels together with simple PVC piping or hoses. Think about overflow. Redirect extra water to a rain garden, swale, or even directly into your compost pile to keep it moist. This way, not a drop goes to waste. In my own experience, the first time I relied on rainwater alone for an entire week of watering, I was amazed at how well the plants responded. They looked healthier, perkier, and the soil retained moisture longer. It's a reminder that sometimes nature really does provide the best resources if we just learn to use them. To recap, use gutters to channel water into barrels, keep containers sealed and shaded, consider filters or diverters, and always plan for overflow. Start small and expand as you need. Your garden, your wallet, and the planet will all thank you. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and become part of the family. Together, we can grow smarter, greener gardens, one raindrop at a time.